Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little different and very real. From 2022 to 2025, I was on and off with YouTube. But guess what? I only worked seriously for about 1 year, just 1 year of focused effort, and today I'm going to show you exactly how much I made. No clickbait, no fluff, just raw numbers, my story, and the truth behind how YouTube pays, especially when you're not consistent, but still passionate. And by the end of this video, I'll also give you some solid tips for anyone who wants to start their own YouTube journey in 2025 and beyond. If you're serious about growing a YouTube channel or starting one the right way, check the link in the description. Let's begin. So let me take you back to 2022. I had no fancy gear, no idea what niche to choose. I was just experimenting, uploading random videos, sometimes getting 50 views, sometimes 2,000. Nothing crazy. I wasn't serious. Like many of you watching, I had dreams, but no direction. I'd upload once every few weeks, sometimes once every few months. I was inconsistent. Life kept getting in the way. Stress, family pressure, money problems, everything. But in mid-2023, something clicked. I told myself, let me treat this like a real job. Just for 1 year, full focus, no excuses. And I did. I gave myself 12 months to see what would happen if I truly committed to YouTube. And here's what happened. From 2022 to early 2023, I made very little. Almost nothing. Honestly, I was just testing, not taking it seriously. But from mid-2023 to mid-2024, the 1 year I truly focused, things changed. I made around $25,000 in total from YouTube AdSense during those 3 years. That's not including sponsors, affiliate links, or anything else. Just AdSense alone. It surprised me, because even after I slowed down, my old videos kept earning. That's what people call passive income. Your work keeps paying you even when you're not active. And all of this came from just 1 year of consistency. Let me break down what I did right and what I did wrong so you can learn from it. First, what I did right. I picked a niche. Instead of doing random content, I chose a clear direction. Whether it was motivation, AI tools, or YouTube tips, I kept my content focused. I improved my thumbnails and titles. This increased my click-through rate. When more people clicked, YouTube pushed my videos harder. I worked on retention. I told stories. I stopped dumping boring facts and started making people feel something. If people watched longer, YouTube rewarded me. I learned basic SEO. I used tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ. I researched titles and used the right tags and keywords. I also reused scripts and content across multiple channels. Since I was running more than one Faceless channel, sometimes one script worked for 2 different audiences. Now what I did wrong. I was inconsistent in my first and last year. That inconsistency slowed my growth. If I had started strong from day 1, results could have been way better. I didn't build a personal brand or email list. So even though people watched my content, I wasn't capturing that traffic outside YouTube. I didn't reinvest into tools, editing help, or better systems. I did everything myself, which slowed me down. If I had just reinvested a part of what I earned, I could have grown even faster. But it's okay. These mistakes helped me learn and grow. Now let's talk about what works on YouTube in 2025. These are real tips that you can use if you're just starting or struggling to grow. Tip 1. Focus on search and suggested traffic. Don't just copy trending videos. Make videos on things people already search for. Use keyword tools, do your research, and create helpful content. Tip 2. Hook people in the first 8 seconds. If your intro is boring, people leave. Ask a bold question, show something unexpected, or create curiosity right away. Tip 3. Make your videos binge-worthy. Plan your content like a series. If someone watches 1 video, they should want to watch 5 more. Tip 4. Your script matters more than your gear. You don't need a fancy camera. If your story is good, people will watch till the end. Tip 5. Focus on consistency over perfection. Stop trying to make the perfect video. Just show up, upload, and keep learning. Tip 6. Click-through rate and watch time are everything. Your thumbnail should grab attention, and your content should keep people watching. These 2 things are what make the algorithm promote your video. Tip 7. Use YouTube Shorts. They're still growing fast and help you reach new people, but always link them back to long-form videos where the real money is. Tip 8. Don't rely on AdSense alone. Add affiliate links, sell digital products, offer services, or build a paid community. Create more than one way to earn. Tip 9. Learn storytelling. Don't just teach, entertain. Structure your videos with tension, curiosity, and payoff. People remember stories, not just facts. Tip 10. Your first 100 videos are practice. Don't expect perfection. Use those first uploads to learn. Improve after every video. I'm not a celebrity. I didn't get lucky. I just focused for 1 year and it changed everything. I made around $25,000 from YouTube with only 1 serious year of effort. But more than money, YouTube gave me something bigger: confidence, skills, and the belief that I could build something from scratch. So if you're sitting there wondering if it's too late, it's not. If you've uploaded before and failed, try again. And if you're tired or burned out, take a break, but don't quit forever. 1 good video can change everything. 1 year of focus can change your whole future. If this helped you or inspired you, make sure to check the link in the description. There's something there that can help you take your next step. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. See you in the next video.